everyone. 30. Sorry about this. I'll be right back. You all know I work tomorrow, right? Everyone have a shot every time he hiccups. I hiccup every 5 seconds. Cheers. Now I cough and hiccup at the same time. Wonderful. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Get good. And I have to cough again or sneeze. Bless me. Maybe the sneeze can remove the hiccups. Who knows? Nope. Absolutely not. So, 10 points to Nekropa and a 12 to Aprit. Yeah. To Aprit. For sure. I heard you have to drink water through a straw while plugging your ears. Yeah, this is all just to make me look like a clown. I understand. It's very unfortunate what happens tonight, but I'm not gonna make a fool out of myself. I already done that. Who am I kidding? Try holding your nose and sipping water for half a minute or until you feel like you need to breathe again. It's what works for me. See, how stupid would I look doing that? Very. Can't hurt. Okay. We're Vlanderen. We're number 57. I'm gonna hold my breath now, I guess. That might actually have worked. If this actually worked, uh, Cat, then I don't know, you should be a doctor or something. Honestly, like, I shouldn't speak already about this, but I haven't had a hiccup now for like over a minute. Cat, you saved my life. You cured me. I think.